Hello you guys, Cimplycece here and welcome back to my channel. You guys, thank you again for joining me here. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my nighttime skincare routine. As you can see, I got my version of a full face of makeup. I don't do foundation, but this is what I do. And I need to remove it because I was filming earlier and I figured why not share that. Someone had requested it a while back about my skincare, so I figured let me come on here with an updated one. I will be doing a second version, which is going to be my daytime skincare routine, which I may film tomorrow. But I do something at night, and then when I get up in the morning, I do something else. But if you are interested in how I cleanse my face and prep it for nighttime, please stay tuned. If you are new, you've never been to my channel, hi, my name is Cece, and here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty, and I am currently documenting my sister-like journey as well. If you're interested in those things, if you enjoy me, you're just vibing with me, you like your girl, you like the vibe, you smile while you're watching my video, please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit that like button if you do enjoy, and share if you think it'll be helpful. And without further ado, let's jump right into the skincare routine. Okay, you guys, a key thing that I do always before I start my skincare, and I do this both at night and in the morning, is I start out with washing my hands. I know that may seem like maybe a no-brainer to some people, but I like to put it out there because, to be honest, I didn't always wash my hands first, but I found that it just makes sense. If I'm going to use them to clean my face, let me make sure my hands are clean first. A real important reason that I wash my hands before drying it with a paper towel, not a towel, is because I wear glasses, and today I'm wearing my contacts, so the next thing I will do is remove my contacts. I'm going to go ahead and open up my case, put my little solution in, that's what I use. And fill them both like they should be. Now, I've been taught from my eye doctor to, and the other reason why your hands need to be clean, put a little bit into your palm like so, and then I'll remove my left one first. So you're going to put that in there, and then you're going to just move it around with the tip of your finger, and it kind of gets any little debris and things off until I move that around for a second, take the contact, drop it in my solution. And I'm going to do the same for the other. Okay, before I go into cleanse my face, I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena. That's just the refillable container, and it just has the wipes in it. I heard that these can be bad for your skin, but I have to say I don't really have like skin issues, I'm not gonna lie. So for me, they've been fine and they work wonders for me versus going in and completely just using my facial wash to remove it. This is a nice like pre-wash, or since I'm a hairstylist, this is a great way for me to kind of do, yeah, that first shampoo kind of thing, and then get in there with the second one. Okay, so now that I've done my little pre-wash with the makeup wipe, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my eyelash wash. I have the eyelash extensions. It doesn't have a name for it, but this is the wash my lash tech sold me in the kit. She also sold me this brush. It came with this brush. And this, I don't know the name of it, but I'm gonna just put the ingredients up on the screen if you guys are interested in seeing what's in it. So to do that, I'm going to splash my face. She told me what to do is clean my lashes first with this before I go in with my facial wash, which is by Fenty. And then make sure I get all of this out by following it with my facial wash. So I'm gonna get my headband and we're gonna wash our face. And shout out to my Aunt Viola because she got me this at a girls' night. So let's wash our lashes. Okay, so you can see that I've got my lashes wet. I'm gonna also wet my brush, and I got my face just splashed with some water. And I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna do a little pump on the brush, and then I'm gonna just go over it, just like this. And I'm just gonna wash really good. I'm gonna do this for both eyes. I'm gonna go up in my lid because I know I have makeup on. Even when I don't have on makeup, I still do this step. So I'm gonna go underneath really good because I had on mascara too. Okay, once I rinse my face off, I just pat it dry. Don't rub it. Just pat and go up under my eyes. Close my eyes and try to absorb some of the water from my lashes because you see how they've all clumped together. But don't worry about that. If you have lashes, my lash tech told me to just brush them through and they won't dry like that. And it's been working successfully so far. So once I get my face pretty much like, let's say 90 or 85 to 90% dry, I'm gonna go in with my toner. This is the next product, the Fenty Skin Fat Water. And then I just go on my fingers and rub that onto my skin. My idea is that if you do it when it's about 85 to 90% dry, your pores are still open and you can get this in there. Cause it's supposed to, I believe it's supposed to like fill your pores, make your skin look more smooth. And I just rub my lash down into my eyeball. That is terrible. My lash tech cold, y'all. She got lashes all up in here. Like, she don't miss a lash. I mean, not a lash. And then I'll bring the rest down my neck. And if you haven't used the Fenty Skin, I've been using it for several years now. Probably close to when she first came out with it. And I just fan that a little bit. It doesn't have to get all the way dry, but I'm gonna fan that. Then I'm gonna go in with Fenty Skin Flash Nap. I always do this because I'm 35, mid-30s, so I do this to just combat darkening wrinkles underneath my eyes, and about that much. And I'm gonna rub that in. So once I get that in, before I go in with my moisturizer, my nighttime, I'm going to brush through my lashes because they're soaking wet and they're clumped together. And I don't want them drying all clumped together like that. All right, so they are separated enough. Now I'm going to go in with, let's get that, the Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. And I apply that. Take the little tool to get it out, twist that top off. It looks like that, and I'm gonna just go in and scoop me out some and just kind of put it all over my face in random spots. I don't mind being a little heavy with this because it's the only moisturizer I'm gonna have all night. I'm not gonna use any other moisturizer. If you have a question about my lashes, like do they shed a lot because I do this? No, they do not. I have been going to her for quite some time. She is the only lash tech that's ever told me to wash them like that. And my lashes still, and I can give you guys an update on that, my lashes still look so good when it's time for me to go back and get them done. I never ever look like snag-a-tooth by the lashes. You know how sometimes we get them gaps. I used to, but ever since I started going to her, I listen to everything she says. I use the products, and my lashes last me better than any lash tech. Now, granted, I've only had 3. She's my 3rd one, and I absolutely love Grace. Grace, if you ever see my video, shouts out to you, babe, because you're the mom. And I already told her that. She found her calling. So, and I just rub that in. It's made to be hydrating, so I look a little shiny, which I like. I like so much. And I don't know if you ladies do that, but I do rub my moisturizer on my lips. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys, you know, moisturize your lips like you do your skin. Because I do, and ever since I started doing that, I feel like I could just tell a difference. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna go in is also from Fenty Skin. It is the Cherry Treat Conditioning Lip Oil, and I'm gonna just go in and put that on. I've learned a little goes a long way. I used to dip back in twice, but I realized I don't need it because it's a small, and even on her website, people have complained about the size of it. I have big hands, so it fits like about there, but you don't need a lot. And I've been having that, I don't know, for several months. But that concludes truly my nighttime routine. This is what I do every night. Sometimes subtract the makeup wipes if I'm not wearing makeup, because a lot of days I'm not wearing a full face of makeup or any makeup at all for that matter. But everything else is the same. The way I wash it, the toner, and then this. In the morning I do things a little different. I don't use the recovery mask, of course. I use just the regular moisturizer that she has, and I'll share that in another video. For my lashes, yes, I do the same thing with my lashes at night and in the morning. She told me it's important to wash them every day, so when I wash my face, it only makes sense to me to also wash my lashes. So that is something that I do every single day. And in the morning, so in the morning when I get in the shower, I'm gonna wash my lashes and my face. So in case anyone has a question about that, and I will share my daytime morning routine because it is a little different when I'm getting ready to go. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I am not sponsored by Fenty at all. but I absolutely love her skincare. My skin has been the best it's been in my whole life since I started using it. I stick with the whole line because I feel like things just work better when you stick with everything they're kind of built off each other. I'm not a fan of like grabbing things from here or there, and there's nothing wrong with that. People do it and it works out just fine for them. But for me, I'm a person that feels like it's a whole system for a reason. And for me, if you're oily, I can see why this would not be something that works for you. But I'm more combination. I get a little oily up here, but not enough to have like breakouts and things. My skin is relatively good and easy, so I don't know what this is for if you have acne or any breakout problems. I cannot tell you how it does, but for me, it's absolutely wonderful. I love it. I've been using it for at least 3 years now. Yeah, going on at least 3 years, and I love it. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope you guys learned something. You get to know just what I do to keep glowing. I am 35, so I'm trying to stay 35, and this is how I kind of just take care of my skin and moisturize it and keep it looking all fresh and good. I will link all of the Fenty that I use just in case you're interested in it. She has a site, but like I said, I'll just make sure I link everything down below so you guys can check it out. Check out pricing. I've been buying it for a while, but I can't tell you how much it costs. And even I also buy it for my daughter who is 14. She uses it on her skin and it does very well too. So thank you guys for tuning in to me. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please like it if you did. And guys, as always, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. And I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye, ladies.